Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about front-end and back-end web development. So guys, now let's begin. First, let's talk about front-end web development. If you open a website, then in that website you will see navbar, footer, body, and more. And do you know who develops that components? The answer is front-end web developer. Everything that you will see in that website is created by front-end web development. And now let's talk about back-end web development. Back-end web development is also known as server-side web development. So guys, let me give you an example. If you open a website, then guys, if you click on a blog post, then do you know how that content appear? The answer is that job is for backend web development. So backend web developer connects a website to a database. So guys, backend web development help our website to fetch data from a server or database. So this is very simple. So guys, now you know what is the work of frontend and backend. So guys, now let me tell you again. Frontend web developer create a website, and backend web developer connects a website to a server. So guys, now that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more videos like this, then guys, please make sure to subscribe. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.